K, of course. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you 2 wigs I was sent from Sassy Secrets. So y'all, this is a hair company that actually reached out to me, and they sell bomb synthetic wigs. So just in case you're interested or like the wigs that I'm about to show you, I will go ahead and leave all the links in my description box. So yeah, check it out. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. And on the back, it just tells you about the company, their quality, and their dedication. So all of that. But this is so cute. So, and this one is called Elektra, and I have it in a 1B as well. And both these wigs are synthetic wigs. So like, look at that. This is how the first package came. So when I opened the first one, I was like, I'm not going to open the second one just so you guys can actually see what it looks like. And then it just has Sassy Secrets right there. I don't know if you really can see it that well, but it also comes with a wig cap. And then it has the care instructions for synthetic hair. And then right here, it has like a sign that's like clearly telling you to basically don't cut the lace off. I guess if you want to return it, like don't alter the wig in any kind of way. And that's basically a part of their return policy. So they do not want you to cut off the lace, but that's just kind of like common sense right there. I think so. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now this curl looks a bit tighter than the wig that I just showed you. Also, the construction on this wig is different from other wig. This one is just like a straight up lace part in the middle. And it also has the same lace, which is the brown soft like Swiss lace. So this is what it's looking like. So okay, this one is also in a 1B. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it has the 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and it also has the adjustable straps. So I got like a wig cap kind of like stuck to my head, y'all, so don't mind it. That's why I had my scarf on. All right, y'all, so these are my end results, and I am definitely feeling the way this turned out. And as you can see, I did not add any baby hairs. Like, what? Me not add no baby hairs? I just felt like I didn't want to. I would have on like a regular day, but being so I'm about to try the other one on, I don't want like no product on my face, like trying to take it off for the next wig, because the next wig I am going to add baby hairs. So I just decided not to go with baby hairs, and as you can see, like the wig looks really good. I did pluck out the beginning of the part just a little bit because it wasn't like laying natural like I wanted it to. But once I took out a few strands of hair, I feel like it looks really good. So you guys let me know what you think about this one. I don't know if I mentioned, but this wig is not, to me, I feel like it's not big head friendly, and I have a smaller size head. So if you do have like a smaller to normal size head, this wig will fit you great. But if your dome is big, honey, I feel like it's gonna be tight on you. I mean, it might be doable, but I feel like it'll be uncomfortably tight. Like, it won't really be that comfortable. Alright, y'all, so I'm excited for this next one. I don't know why, but I just am. Maybe because of the construction. I really I like 13 by 6s and stuff like that. Like, but I feel like it's easier to put like a lace part wig on, if you get what I'm saying, versus like a lace front, because you don't have to like part it like a lace part wig is like parted for you. So anyway, let's go on to the next one. So again, this one is Elektra, and I have her in a color 1B. I have both these wigs in a 1B. And then the one I'm about to try on, I think is called Houston. Yes. All right, so let's try Houston on and see what she about. So again, this is what she looks like, and the wave is like definitely looser than the one that I just showed you. I feel the exact same way about this one as I did for the other one as far as the sides, and I definitely feel like this is not big head friendly at all. Mind you, my head is very small and this fits me like great. I feel like this wig feels really great, like not too tight, but yet it fits like really perfect. So if you have a bigger size head, I will stay away from this. If you have a smaller to normal size head, you'll definitely, this wig would definitely work. Sorry, I'm looking at the hairline because like I said in the beginning of the video, I did go ahead and pluck it because it was just looking a little bit too squish for me. But I actually think I plucked it really good. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's looking like some realage right there. Real like it. Now the lace is a little bit dark for me, so if you are like a lighter brown or a light skin complexion, just be aware of the lace. The lace is brown, but I feel like that's really fixable because you can just go in with your concealer, finishing powder, and lighten it up and you'll be fine. So yeah. Alright guys, so these are my results for this wig, and I actually love the way it turned out. Now don't mind the braids because I was a little sloppy when I did it, but it could be, I know my braids could be much better, but it turned out so good. So as you can see, you can definitely do a lot to this wig. You don't just have to wear it out. You can do like a half up, of course, like everybody does that with the lace front wigs, or you can like braid the fronts, put in a ponytail, anything. Like, have fun with it. It don't always have to be just out, you get what I'm saying? So if you are tired of wearing it in a certain style, you can definitely switch it up. The main reason I put this into braids is because the top part, to me, I just felt like it was a little bit bushy, and I didn't really like that. Now if you like that look, you can go for it and rock the look, but for me, I just felt like it was a little bit too much. So I did braid it down. Hopefully when I take these braids out, it might go back to its natural form, if that makes any sense. But overall, I think the look is so cute. I love the way it turned out. This is definitely giving me scalp. This wig looks so freaking natural. I would suggest plucking the hairline if you do purchase this wig, because like for me, it definitely was squarish. Or if you're into like baby hairs, I feel like if you're going to do like some baby hairs in the front, you probably don't have to pluck the hairline. I did not pluck the hairline a lot at all, you guys. It was just like a light pluck. So, and that made such a difference. Like, look at this, y'all. Look, now this wig is hot. I don't know if it's because of my light or what, but I am hot. It could just be me, but overall I really like it. This is really cute. I probably wear this tomorrow, so I'm gonna keep it on my head. It's already late at night. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it up. But yeah, which one do you like? And like I said, if you're interested in any of these wigs, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link in the description box. But y'all, like, I'm really feeling this look. It's so cute. Yeah, so like I said, tell me what you think about this look. Tell me which one you like better. Yeah, I would really like to know. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.